Hi students, welcome to my class. Today I am going to tell you the very important formulas for JEE mains and also for EPSET of every state, that is the properties of triangles. Today we will discuss this chapter's important formulae and basic formulae which are very useful for our problems to solve in JEE mains and also for common entrance test. So let's start the video. Students, our first formula is for a triangle ABC. We will start number 1, the formula for a triangle ABC. Okay, for a triangle ABC, A by sine A is equals to B by sine B, which is also equals to C by sine C, which is totally equals to 2R. This is our most important and basic formula in properties of triangles. So this is our first formula. Now it's turn for second formula, which is cos A is equals to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. We can also write this formula in the form of B, C and D also. So let's start. So cos B equals to A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. So now come on, let's tell with the cos C formula. So cos C equals to A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. So this is our second important formula in properties of triangles. Now our third important formula is A equals to B cos C plus, here for the cos that is sine angles, we should use the capital letters of the alphabets. Okay, so B cos C plus small c cos capital B. Okay, angle should be in the form of capital A, capital B. Okay, so A equals to B cos C plus C cos B, and small b is equals to C cos A plus A cos C. Now let's tell the formula with me. Okay, so small c is equals to A cos B plus B cos C. That's it, students. This is our third formula. Now we will tell about our fourth important formula, which is fourth sine A by 2 is equals to root of S minus B into S minus C by BC. This is our sine A by 2 formula. Now we will write sine B by 2 formula. Okay, sine B by 2 is equals to, come on students, let's take a copy and note the formulas. These are very important formulas which will apply in every chapter. Okay, which are related to properties of triangles. Okay, sine B by 2 is equals to S minus A into S minus C by AC. Now let's tell with me the formula of sine C by 2. Come on students, everyone has to speak. Okay, sine C by 2 is equals to S minus A into S minus B by AB. That's it, students. These are our four important formulae. Now we will jump to fifth formula, which is very important. So cos A by 2 is equals to root of S into S minus A by BC, and similarly cos B by 2 is equals to S into S minus B by AC. Okay, next in the same form you have to tell me the cos C by 2 formula. Let's speak with me. Okay, cos C by 2 is equals to S into S minus C by AB. That's it. Okay, now we will see our sixth formula. Okay, our sixth formula is in the form of tan A by 2 is equals to delta by S into S minus A. Okay, So this is a substitute of one another formula. We will see that seventh formula, tan a by 2 is equals to root of s minus b into s minus c by s into s minus a. We know that tan is equals to sine by cos. So s minus b by s into s minus a, we will cancel out the bc form, okay. Then we will get this formula. Similarly, we will write tan b by 2 also. What is tan b by 2? Come on, everybody has to speak. Root of this one. SA minus A into S minus C by S into S minus B. Now students, everyone has to say tan C by 2 formula. What is tan C by 2 formula? Okay, very good. Tan C by 2 is equals to S minus A into S minus B by S into S minus C. Okay, in the form of this formula, we will tell the sixth formula continuation tan b by 2 and tan c by 2. Okay, what is tan b by 2? Delta by s into s minus b, comma. What is tan c by 2? Everybody has to tell now. Everybody has to tell. Tan c by 2 is delta by s into s minus c. Very good. These are the 7 important formulae in properties of triangles. We will discuss our 8th formula. Okay students, now we will continue our 8th formula. Okay, so let's start our 8th formula, which is in the form of cot a by 2. Okay, it is quite similar to tan a by 2 because it's a reciprocal of tan. Okay, so cot a by 2 is equals to s into s minus a by delta. Okay, then cot b by 2 is equals to s into s minus b by delta, and cot c by 2 is equals to s into s minus c by delta. That's it. That's our 8th formula. Now we will jump to 9th formula, which is quite simpler and very easy, which is in the form of small r form. Small r is equals to delta by s. Okay, small r is equals to delta by s. Small r can also be written as 4r sine a by 2, sine b by 2 and sine c by 2. Okay, very easy Nana. You have to just by heart these formulas. You can write any problem which is given from this chapter. Okay. Okay Nana, we will continue our next formula, that is 10th formula, which is, it's quite simpler Nana. So R1 is equals to delta by S minus A. It's quite easy Nana. So we will see next 3 formula, then you will pick up the answer. Okay. For R, next sine A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2. We had just R1 means we have just changed sine form for A by 2, and for B by 2 and C by 2 we will use cos form, and for delta by S minus A we will use S minus A. For next R2 form, delta by S minus B, which is equals to 4R. Now we will change the B form in the form of sine. Okay, so cos A by 2, sine B by 2, cos C by 2. Quite easy Nana, very much easy this chapter. Okay, now we have to tell the formula of R3. Come on, everybody has to speak. Delta by S minus C, that equals to 4R cos A by 2. We have to change the form, C form. Very good. Sine C by 2. That's it, our formula. Very easy. If R1 is there, we will change A by 2 in the form of sine. If R2 is there, we will change B by 2 in the form of sine. If R3 is there, we will change C by 2 in the form of sine. If R is there, everything will be sine. Okay, that's it. Quite easy. Now we will jump to our 13th formula, Okay, our 13th formula is delta. What is delta? Triangle, na? 2s form. Okay, delta is equals to s into s minus a into s minus b. Okay, sorry, we will extend it s minus c. This is the form of a delta. And there is another equation for the delta, which is delta is equals to rs. Yes, students, delta is also equals to rs, and delta is also equals to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. And delta is equals to 2r square sine a sine b and into this is the into. Okay, sorry for this, sine c, 2r square sine a sine b sine c, and delta is also equals to half bc sine a. These are the formulas of delta. There are 4 peculiar formulas in this. Okay, so these are the most important formulas of properties of triangles. And the another formula, that is 14th one, is small a plus small b by c is equals to cos of a minus b by 2 total divided by sine of c by 2. This is one of the most you will give the 100% for this formula. This is the most important formula in JEE mains and also for MCET exams. So don't forget to check this formula. Okay, next, another formula is a minus b by c is equals to sine of a minus b by 2 by cos of c minus c by 2. Sorry. Okay, there is an interchange, Nana. If there is plus, we will substitute cos of a minus b by 2 by sine of c by 2. If there is a minus c b by 2, we will write sine of a minus b by 2 by cos of c by 2. Minus minus plus plus cos sine sine cos. That's it. It's very easy. Okay. Now we will check our 15th formula, which is also an important formula, that is 1 by r1. Okay, 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3 is equals to 1 by r. It's very important formula. Okay, don't forget to watch this. Okay, 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3, that equals to 1 by r. Okay, then another formula is r1 minus r is equals to 4r sine square a by 2. r1 minus r is equals to 4r sine square a by 2. Then another formula is r plus r3 is equals to 4r cos square a by 2. Okay, r1 minus r is 4r sine square a by 2. r2 plus r3 is 4r cos square a by 2. Okay, Nana. Now we will see our 16th formula. So, Nana, our 16th formula is the 16th formula. This is a very important formula, Nana. You will never do the mistake of losing this chapter. Okay. Next, r1 plus r2 plus r3 minus r is equals to 4r. Okay, Nana, in this channel I am going to add every chapters important formulas and every important topics videos. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will add every important updates for every formulas which are very important. Okay, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. Okay, we will continue our class. So r plus r2 plus r3 minus r1. First we had subtracted r, then we get 4r. Next we subtracted r1, we get 4r cos a. What that is? 4r, r1 there is so cos a. Next we will subtract r2, then r1 plus r plus r3 minus r2. Now we had just subtracted r2, nana, we get 4r cos b. Next we will subtract r3. So r plus r1 plus r2 minus r3. Come on, Nana, everybody has to tell the answer. Very good. 4r cos c. Next our important formula is r1 into r2 into r3 is into r is equals to delta square. We have already discussed the delta formulas, Nana. These are the very important delta formulas. This square is equals to r1, r2, r3, r. Okay, then another formula is r1, r2 plus r2, r3 plus r1, r3 is equals to s square. Okay, r1, r2 plus r2, r3 plus r3, r1 is equals to s square. Now our 17th important formula is if, okay, this is the point, Nana, this point we have to recognize, okay. If I, I1, I2, I3 are the in-center and x-centers of a triangle ABC, then if I1, I2, I3 are the in-center and x-centers of a triangle ABC, then the important formulas are AI. Okay, we will continue to next page, Nana. Okay, Nana, the formulas are if I1, I2, I3 are the incenters and excenters of a triangle ABC, then AI, A, capital A and I is equals to R cosecant. This is not cos or sine. This is cosecant A by 2. Okay, R cosecant A by 2. And BI is equals to R cosecant B by 2. And in the similar form, we have to tell me the CI formula, okay. So R cosecant C by 2. This is a very easy, Nana. You have to complete this chapter for JEE mains. Okay, don't forget it, okay. AI1 is equals to R1 cosecant A by 2, comma, BI2 is equals to R2 cosecant C by 2. Sorry, this is B by 2. AI1 is equals to R1 cosecant A by 2, BI2 is equals to R2 cosecant C by 2. You have to tell me in the comment section CI3 formula. Okay, just tell in the comment section. Okay, this is for you, Nana. You have to tell me this formula in the comment section. Okay, this is our today's video. Now we will continue our class in the next video. In the next video, I am going to tell you the trigonometry formula. Okay, trigonometry formula. Okay, don't forget to watch the video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and like the video. Thank you everybody for seeing this channel and giving support.